Hi, this is Steve Bumgarner, Eagle Public Library. Here we have another unboxing video. This is going to be Playaways, and you know, Playaways, if you haven't tried one yet, they're audio players on little MP3 or MP4 cartridges, and you just plug them in to a headphone, or you can plug them into your car to the audio jack and listen to your heart's content. They're really good, they're really handy, and they're really small and light. They're great if you're out walking around. So here's the box we're going to open, and I'm going to open it, and we are going to go through these. There aren't a lot, there's just a few. So here's something called On Hummingbird Wings by Lorraine Snelling. Looks pretty good, picture's pretty. What's this thing? No Hiding in Boise. Story about some guy who hid in Boise, I guess. I think it's a novel. It's kind of a local bestseller. Here we have Nobody, Somebody, Anybody by Amy Hanley. Something about a chambermaid for the summer. Here's a book about, it's a novel, Old Abe, the final 5 years of Abraham Lincoln's life. And what's this thing? Immortal Legacy by Jonathan Yanez, or something like that. A past written in blood, a future in question, time corrodes truth, over the centuries, fact turns to myth. Well, it could be pretty good. Here's a perennial bestseller, some Debbie Macomber book. If you're into Debbie Macomber, you'll be all excited about that one. Here's something called The Edge. Some nonfiction, a book about leadership, I guess, and the Philadelphia Eagles, and Johnson & Johnson, and Progressive Insurance. I don't know, could be useful. Oh, Daniel Silva, the cellist, I think is what it's called. Yep. No, the cellist. Maybe it's a cellist. I don't know what that is. Another novel. His books are always bestsellers. Oh, look at that. Just a minute ago, we were talking about how things were going to topple over, and we were right. These are real slippery right now because they're new and in great shape. All right, here's President Clinton's and James Patterson's The President's Daughter, big bestseller, should be good. And finally, Golden Girl by Ellen Hilderbrand. It's been all over the bestsellers list. These are great if you haven't seen them. I love these things. Little tiny player, controls on the back. You just put the battery in, hit play, you're ready to go. They're great. Check them out. All right, that's it for this time. See you next time.